Hey everybody, real quick, I want to just close the loop on the Dal Makhani. It is beautifully finished and I've added some of the cashew cream. I'm going to go ahead and finish adding it in. And this way you can now see this was about 3/4 cup to a cup of the cashew cream. I did take a quick video of it and I already had added some cashew cream in here. I'll put that video up on my Facebook page, but look at this. This is the Dal Makhani, and I'm glad that I revised the water from 10 to 9 cups in this. And look how perfect that is. You just don't get that kind of texture when you're using any other legume. Yeah, Allison, you've got to make this. It is so delicious, and look how much it made. Obviously, we're going to revise that recipe down to be a more normal person amount. I always cook like my mom for like the whole neighborhood, but this is why I actually start all my recipes at the large batch level. And then I pull them back because I figured if you can make this successfully, I'll go back and forth actually, but I think if you can make them in a large batch successfully, and usually I'll use all the techniques I've already kind of learned in my Indian slow cooker, and I'll just translate it, so that's why I have an easier time eyeballing how much you really need to put in here and whatnot. Now, here's the thing, I just want to show you too, I did the cashew cream. This is what the cashew cream looks like. I'll have that video of just creating cashew cream in my Vitamix. I have a mini, I have a large one, and then a mini, and I just did 1/2 cup of cashew cream, and that was all I needed. I'm going to take the rest of this, either I'll stick it in my fridge, or if I don't think I'll get to it, I'll put it in ice cube trays, stick it in the freezer, and pop it out as I need it. All right, so that is Dal Makhani. It is set for dinner tonight, but if your family's like my family, they're not going to eat what's made, they're going to want something else. So I have to kind of think ahead. And I'm nervous with the end of this pandemic, mostly about 2 things. One is obviously I don't want to get sick, and I don't want anyone in my family to get sick. And the second thing is, I don't know, after all this amazing food and access to the kitchen, if my husband or my kids will ever go back to their daily routine. I don't think my husband's going to leave the house to go work in his office because he just comes up here and he's got food and he's got all the stuff just sitting here in the fridge, all this access. Oh well, it is what it is, right, folks? Those are the very small problems to have these days. So we have to be grateful for that and being able to laugh about it. But yeah, so that's Dal Makhani. I've already revised the recipe. I'm going to post it, and the one I'm going to post on indianasapplepie.com is going to be for the 8-quart. You will revise it back for whatever you want to do and whatever size you want to make it in. And yeah, and Fran, you're right, batuta, it would be amazing with batuta. And batuta is a type of bread. It is literally just naan that's deep fried. It is amazing, and my kids love it. So it's really the naan dough that's leavened, and then it's put in the fryer, and we eat it with, usually with chana. So chana batuta is a thing. They go together. Amazing. All right, so next recipe, if you guys want, I'll go live this weekend. As Tom said, every day is a Saturday. I've been using that, and I've been crediting you, Tom, for that. But do you want me to go live tomorrow? Are you interested in more tips, or are you not? Or anyway, just let me know, email me. I am going to be working on packaging orders, getting them out ASAP. That's the next thing on the list. And then we'll be working on more recipes together, okay? So get your Indian on, folks. Stay safe, stay healthy, and perfect. If even one of you wants it, I will give it to you. You'll get more tips and tricks this weekend. All right? See you soon, folks. Have a great night. Bye.